Okay, welcome to Dow Stock Talk. I'll be giving a update on the Elevate Money. I recently put $100 into it. Elevate Money, if you're not familiar with it, make sure you check the suggested videos. But it's a online platform that allows you to invest in real estate, more so commercial real estate, where they will end up owning the business office and they would end up leasing out, whether it's a gas station or Family Dollar. So they occupy they own the actual building, and then they collect rent from the landlords. All right, so I'll be giving you an update on my experience. I think I only had it for like a month or two, but I'll show you everything. But make sure you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump into Elevate Money. Once again, if you want to interested in any other alternative investing platforms or real estate investing platforms, make sure you check the suggested video. But as you can see, my first investment was October. So October 14th is when I put in my initial investment. That's when it actually got cleared. So a month from there, I received my first dividend on November 15th for 55 cents. Now the dividend yield, it's supposed to be 6.5% dividend yield annually. So in Elevate Money, what they end up doing is they end up paying you monthly. And of course, being a math fanatic, I kind of checked it out. So if they pay me 55 cents, if they pay me each month by the 12 months, that'll give you $6.60. And off of $100 investment, $6.60, that's actually 6.6. So I don't know if the cents, but it's pretty much right. Yeah, so I'll actually go over the property as well. So when you look at the properties, they only have two. One is, I believe, one's a gas station and one's a Family Dollar. We're gonna check that out for you guys. Yeah, so this one is a Family Dollar. They show you all the information you need to know, but I'm not gonna go into that too much because I kind of went into it before. So we had the gas station. Sorry, the Family Dollar. This is the Family Dollar. Just quickly go over it, and then let's go back, and I believe this one is the Shell gas station as well. Yeah, this is in South Carolina. This is the Shell gas station as well. So these are the two one they have. So they don't have a lot so far. Now, as far as, let's click on the dividend, and as you can see, I have it where I can reinvest the dividend. I'm assuming it'll probably come maybe every 15th of the month, but I'll have to keep having it for sure. So I just want to let you guys know the update on this particular platform. As far as the auto invest, I don't have it on because a lot of these investing platforms, I just kind of using it to test them out. So, and you don't see me putting a substantial amount of money. It's just more so to try it out and just to give you guys an overview of what would happen if you invested in these particular platforms. Someone in the comments, actually read all the comments, by the way. Someone in the comments mentioned, oh, how come you didn't add any more money in some of these platforms? Well, kind of for several reasons. A lot of times I'm just trying out several different ones, and some of them I think they're cool, but a lot of times I invest a lot more of my money in things that I feel comfortable with, things I feel like I understand, and things that I think will give me the best return relative to my knowledge and my risk level. So that answers your question. Let me go through some other stuff as well. Now, as we can look, they have different, blogs and stuff like that. So I'm just going to click on the most recent blog and see what they end up saying. So Elevate Money helps everyday people build generational wealth built in LA. While understanding economics may seem intimidating for some, building wealth within capitalistic societies has been less complex thanks to this new age. That is very true. I definitely would agree. While understanding economics may be intimidating for some, building within their capitalistic society has become less complex. Platforms like Elevate Money, you don't have to be on Wall Street to make profitable investments and stuff like that. So they got all different types of articles as well. And by the way, if you got any questions about this particular platform, just let me know. I just want to make sure. Now, let's see if we learn more about. It says more properties coming soon. We are always actively searching for new properties to meet our standards. So let's see what their standards are. Lease. We look for leases with 5 or more remaining years. We want long-term, durable rental cash flows. That's good. Tenants, investment grade tenants, financial strength as rated on Moody and Standards and Bliss, whatever. Location, tenant rental rates that are at or below local market rental rates, properties with limited and quantifiable deferred maintenance in positive local areas. 360 view, we consider all aspects of an investment. So it seems like a lot of general things. All right. Oh, and they also have if you were interested in this particular platform, I can drop the referral link. I have a affiliate link. I'll drop the affiliate link. Now I will say, before I normally drop affiliate links, I really just had this particular platform. So as far as making any sound investment judgment based off of this, I just recently had it, so this is kind of new to me. I haven't heard a lot about the company. I just heard a lot of different people talking. Well, not necessarily a lot of someone in the comments asked me about it, and I signed up. I mean, I ended up putting $100 just to show the overall experience. So if you guys are interested, I'll have the referral link or whatever, but I just want to let you know that I just recently got this. This is actually first dividend. So I pretty much, in order to have I want a lot to say about it. I want to at least have it for at least a year, because this is a relatively new platform and new company. So let's see if there's anything else that I think I would like to. Yeah, I believe that's all. But that concludes Style Stock Talk. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Out.